this one. We got this one. We got this one. And we got another one of these for retail. Oh, wait a minute. Receipt, boys. What's up, everybody? whydavis here, back with another review. So I'm showing you guys the Air Jordan 3 J Balvin Medellin Sunset. Alright guys, these officially came out today for a retail price of $250. Now yesterday they did do a shock drop on the J Balvin website, and like everybody else, I'm thinking that watch this video, you probably took an L, and it was just very hard to get this shoe. Now normally, you know, the number one, the number two collab that they did on these shoes started off very high, then went down in retail, and then as you guys can see, this one stayed put at about 450 bucks. So it went down to about 390 yesterday and the day before that, and then it rose back up into about 450 today. So with that being said, a lot of pairs of these shoes have not been sold or have not been released to the public. I think it's only one more chance to get these for retail, and that is in Miami at DJ Khaled's new store. But if you guys have seen all the bags right here, yo, it was just a movie today. Yesterday when I got done, you know, opening up my iPhone, I was having so many problems with the iPhone. I'll probably make a separate video on that, but just know if you guys don't have a SIM or eSIM or that, like the wireless SIM card now, you will have to go into the actual store to get that fixed. You can't go to Apple, especially not today and tomorrow. Also, Tim Cook, yes, the CEO of Apple was at American Dream Mall. So it was just a movie there. I mean, I can't believe he was even there, you know what I mean? Of course I missed him, but he was there. Daniel Jones was there today for Boss. They did a collaboration. JD, that's why you see all these JD bags officially opened up in the American Dream Mall. That's the biggest JD that I know of right now, and that store is just massive. I'll show you guys some B-roll if you guys already didn't see the intro, but man, it was just a crazy day today. I had to get my phone fixed. I missed out on a lot of stuff that was already there. It was Frozen 4s that was there. They had a whole bunch of Asics and things like that. It was just a crazy day, guys, but let's get into it. So you guys probably already seen me review the shoe. This is the shoe right here, man. Like I said, I got mad stuff from JD today. They also did like lost and found raffle that my boy hit that I showed you guys in the intro, but it was just so crazy. So this is the shoe right here, guys. Now I already showed you guys this shoe already once again, but it does have this film on it, as you guys can see. Both pairs do on the box here, so you can take that off. So make sure you guys are seeing this on your real pairs. Okay, where's my other one at? So somebody's gonna say, oh well, he didn't have the box, so how do we know the other one is like that? So this is the other one. It's pretty brand spanking new, so it's not really messed up, but as you guys see, this one has the film on it as well. But these shoes rose up to about 450 bucks today, guys, and I'm definitely going to be holding on to my pair because I feel like these will go up over time a little bit more. But right now, if you want to sell, this might be the best time to sell because I don't think it's going to go up to about 500 or 600, you know what I mean, any higher than that. Now the ones did take a little bit of time to go up, but now they're like 3 and some change. But this is the box right here. Open up the top of the box. On the bottom half of the box, once again, you can feel this material on the box, the elephant print, and it is in purple and black. I did go to size 9.5 on these. The suggested retail on this is once again $250. We don't get a suggested retail on the box, but this is the paper, and it just says the same thing that it says on the top of the box right here. A sunset always reminds me a new day full of opportunities is coming. And then we have his signature and his signature logo. Okay, so we get the same thing over the top of the box, which is on this paper. And then we get an extra sheet of tissue paper, like I already showed you guys. You know, retail poppy, receipt boys, I do this, man. I really do this. So same thing, As you guys see from the retailer, I know I got a pair early, but we get the same thing on the inside of this shoe. Extra layer of tissue paper here. Boom. Gorgeous. There we go. Dang, man, these shoes are just so fire, bro. So fire, man. All right. This is a shoe here, guys. Let me know what you think. Copper drop. I was able to get a t-shirt and the pants off of sneakers this morning, but no sneaker. And I put in for like 5 accounts. I told my boy to do it, my girl to do it, my other boy to do it that don't like shoes, and I missed on all of them. So I got a whole bunch of merch coming in because normally that does help me win the shoe. But Nike, you will be seeing me return some merch. I'm just telling you right now. But here it is on the bottom of the shoe here. We get this translucent outsole. See the very detailed stars at the top of the shoe. Coming towards the outside of the shoe here on the bottom half of the shoe, we do see this sail midsole. Towards the back here, we do see the sunset colorway. Same thing on the inside of the shoe. Coming up towards the base of the shoe, we get this really nice leather on this shoe. They really did their thing on this shoe, and the way these shoes are going up in price, I think a lot of people are realizing that the materials and the quality on these are A1. Like I said, since this pattern on the elephant prints is translucent, it doesn't look like the black print, so you can't really tell like they're different strokes, and you know, they don't match up. So it still does look very nice on the shoe, if you know what I mean, other than the other pair that kind of looked like one was just totally different. It's the same thing, but you can't really tell because once again, it does have that translucent look to it. So this is the shoe right here though, guys. On the outside, fire in my opinion. I don't see stitching errors or glue stains on my pair. Okay, same thing on the inside of the shoe. Let me know if you guys are going to pay resale, wait for these to come down hopefully, or try your luck on the 29th at the DJ Khaled store in Miami. Let me know in the comments box below. Looking at the toe box here, we do get this tumble leather on the toe box, and these will crease up pretty easily on you. So you guys can use my code of whydavis on creasebeast.com, save yourself $5. Looking at the mudguard here, we do see the elephant print, the sail stitching, and the very detailed stars coming up from the bottom of the shoe. All right, now unfortunately we only do get 1 pair of laces on these. I know, $250, only 1 pair of laces. They probably should have gave us the color scheme that we see on the back half of the shoe here, but they didn't. On the tongue here, we do get this leather tongue. At the top, it has the Jordan and like a yellow gold. All right, on the inside of the tongue, the production dates on this is 3/15/23 to 05/27/23. Let me look at my other pair. What does that production date say? The other production date says 03/15/23 to 06/09/23. Okay. Looking at the sock lining of the shoe, it does come in like that sail colorway. If you guys look on the inside of the shoe here, we do get some tissue inserts. All right, and on the left shoe, once again, we do get his emblem on the keychain, which is really dope. Just in case anybody that likes keychains. Taking out the actual insole, we get the Medellin sunset on the insoles. And at the bottom there, it says Jordan and it says Air. But if you guys look on the Thunderbolt in the middle, it's not an eye, it's a Thunderbolt. And then we get the sizing sticker there as well. On the back of it, it does say Dream Cell insole. Show you guys that real fast. This is a good insole. Underneath the actual insole, it is white with some very thick tape. We do get this elastic band tongue on here once again. Coming towards the back here, they did do these on the 3s. I forgot the name of them. I mentioned it in the other video as well. Like, we have seen this before. I believe those 3s are called like dark iris or something like that. But we also do get them on the 3s. So if your pair doesn't come with this, it's a red flag in my opinion, unless they just took it off. But maybe want to be checking for these extra plastics on the back of your shoes right here. The thing I really like about the shoe that they didn't put the Jordan logo on this. They put the Nike Air logo on their left shoe, and on the right shoe we get his logo. You know which logo you guys like better on the back of the shoes, the Nike Air or the Jordan logos. And I'm gonna show you guys my foot is in the toe box right now. Okay guys, so this is what they look like on feet. Pretty clean in my opinion. Now I'm a true size 9. I'm gonna get 9.5 on my shoes. I did go up half a size on these and they fit amazing in my opinion. Now I will say, if you do go true to size, it will fit okay. But in my opinion, if you want a better wearing experience, go up half a size. Especially if you have a wider foot or need a little bit extra space and just want to enjoy your shoes more often, go up half a size. Now I'm gonna show you guys my foot is in the toe boxes right here. So I'm looking around, but if you guys cannot tell, my big toe is right here. So I do have a good amount of space in the front of the toe box, and I don't really feel this material on the outside or on the inside of my foot right there. Now with that being said, I also do like to wear my shoes unlaced like you guys see on the left right here, and I don't have any slippage on this shoe whatsoever. This shoe also does have an elastic band tongue on the inside, so that does help your foot stay locked in. But other than that though, these are fire on feet, and I'm gonna show you guys with these like some different pants options right now. Okay guys, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.